Suzuki just dropped a bombshell that nobody saw coming. The 2026 RMZ 1050 is here, and it's completely shaking up everything we thought we knew about high-performance off-road machines. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the most exciting developments in the motorcycle world. Today, we're checking out the groundbreaking 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050, a bike that's pushing boundaries and challenging conventions. Design. The RMZ 1050 features an aggressive, purpose-built design that screams performance. Suzuki has crafted a lightweight chassis that maintains the nimble feel riders expect despite the larger displacement. The bodywork is slim and functional, with improved ergonomics that enhance rider control. The updated graphics package gives it a contemporary, race-ready appearance that stands out on any terrain. Performance. The heart of this machine is an impressive power plant that delivers massive torque and exhilarating acceleration. Power delivery is surprisingly manageable, with smooth transitions throughout the rev range. The advanced fuel injection system ensures consistent performance in varying conditions, while the tuned exhaust maximizes output without sacrificing reliability. Features and technology. Suzuki has equipped the RMZ 1050 with premium components throughout. The fully adjustable suspension handles aggressive riding with confidence. The hydraulic clutch provides consistent feel and reduced hand fatigue. Modern mapping options allow riders to customize power characteristics for different riding styles and terrain types. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050 represents a bold new direction. What's your take on this machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and share it with your riding crew. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and ring the notification bell for more cutting-edge motorcycle content.